Greetings, planty people. Oh my God, does she really call them planty people? Greetings, planty people. Mad Botanist here, filling in for Planty Jen while she does whatever you people do. Today, you will witness me performing surgery on a live plant. That's right, vegisection. I've been growing this Selaginella uncinata for several years now, and it just keeps growing. If I don't vegisect it soon, it'll fling off its lid and take over the whole apartment. Why, I'm only giving it enough room to grow, and yet you call me mad. Oh wait, it's right there in my name, the Mad Botanist. Some people collect souls. I collect chlorophyll. Oh, that's not chlorophyll. So let's take this little monster out of the terrarium and see where we should slice it. Oh, you can see it squirm. It knows what's coming. Don't worry, my little chlorophyllic friend. This won't hurt a bit. For long. Perhaps you thought I'd do the same thing and just move it to a larger terrarium. But no. But I forgot the line. Perhaps you thought I'd do the same thing and simply move it to a larger terrarium. Foolish planty people. This moss will live in not a single, not a double, but a triple-decker terrarium. Found this vessel on the street. Little did it know, it was destined for greatness. Or madness. Perhaps a bit of both. And now, I shall divide the moss into 3 sections. Steady now. Precision is key. One wrong move and it could sporulate in self-defense. Oh. 1. 2. 3. And now we fill it in with soil from the darkest wilds of Transylvania. Or Amazon. It's Amazon. 1. 2. 3. Now, my nefarious plan is set in motion. The moss will continue to grow and fill these terrariums. And once it's filled these terrariums, it'll continue to grow and take over the whole apartment. And then we'll open the windows. And it will spread to other apartments. And then it will take over the streets and the shops and the restaurants until one day, one glorious day, all of New York City will be covered in peacock moss. They laughed when I said my plants would take over. But they won't be laughing when the sidewalks of New York are covered in iridescent blue and green. Soon, my spores will travel by wind, by shoe sole, by subway vent. No one will be spared the greening. Every crack in every sidewalk will be a cradle for Selaginella. New York will breathe again. When New York wakes up covered in a blanket of moss, they'll finally understand. It was never madness, it was botany. Oh hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and happy Halloween.
When the moss takes over the whole third floor until you can't even open up the door. When it's growing right into the street, more to appease the Mad Botanist. If you call yourself a Planty acolyte, then you'll grow more moss every day and night. Otherwise you're gonna get a terrible fright from the Mad Botanist.